Let's talk about Samsung's next big thing, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7, which will launch this summer. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 might deliver some meaningful changes after all, as leaks now claim that the device will have a full-size outer display that wraps around the cameras. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is going to sport a 3.6-inch cover display with a 6.8-inch inner display. That does make both screens just a tiny bit larger. Galaxy Z Flip 7, with a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is packing this Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, and some market-used Exynos 2500 chipset. Also have 12 or 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Galaxy Z Flip phone will run One UI 7.1 on top of Android 15. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to launch in July 2025. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 are expected to start at the same price, $1,099 for the Flip 7 and $1,899 for the Fold 7. It's too early for rumors and leaks. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.